Hi, I'm Anupa and today I'm going to share a tikka recipe with all of you. Let's make fish tikka very tasty. Okay, so let's first get the fish. We've got rawas which we've cut into pieces like this. You can use any fish which is firm, and fillets of fish of course, because this is boneless fish that I'm using. So fish pieces. Now to this, let's first add in some lemon juice, and along with that let's add some turmeric powder, and I also need to add some fresh garlic paste and very little ginger paste. So after this, all you have to do is mix this up well, and let's add some salt. Mix this up well, and you can let this stay in this marinade for about 10 minutes. So while the fish is getting marinated in this, let's make another marination. So this is the dahi that we've done. Now to this curd, I want to add garlic paste, just a little bit, followed by some red chili powder. Let's add some kasuri methi. I've got crushed kasuri methi here. Of course, salt is something that we need to add here, and some garam masala powder. Now goes in roasted gram flour, and now mix this up. Now while you mix this, there could be some lumps because of the gram flour. Whisk it up nicely, and now you can see the color without adding any additional or synthetic colors. So this marination is done. Now we need to add the fish pieces to this, and here goes in the fish. Now carefully mix this. Because the fish has now absorbed the marination, it's gone a little tender. Now let the fish stay in this also for another 10 minutes. We're going to cook the fish tikka on a frying pan. Make sure that the pan is hot. Now in the hot pan, we'll add some oil. To the hot oil, we'll add some butter. After you add the butter and the oil, now what do? Just keep on adding these pieces onto the pan. After a minute, you can just flip this and cook the other side. You just look at this color. So good. It's exactly how a fish tikka should be. So the fish is done. Let's pick it up and arrange it. Fish is quite a tender meat. It doesn't take long to cook. Just sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala. Do try this recipe of fish tikka, because you can create restaurant style recipe at home.